let's take a look at the Muzen Wild Mini rugged outdoor Bluetooth speakers. Alright, let's go ahead and unbox the Wild Mini. The packaging itself is also rugged and looks nice. The presentation of the speaker is amazing. The packaging alone is very nice. There's a user guide and a USB-C cable. Now, just by holding it in my hand, I can tell it's a very solid and well-built device. It looks very sturdy and also feels sturdy in my hand. The entire design is attractive and it's built to last. There's also a cover for the USB-C port on the side. To power it on, you just hold the toggle down and it turns on. This is the volume toggle over here. And this toggle is used to switch between tracks. To turn on the flashlight, you just press down and hold the switch. You press it down again and it switches between modes. The Wild Mini is a compact, waterproof Bluetooth speaker. It's a portable speaker made of a durable full metal zinc alloy body. This enables it to withstand drops and rough environments. It has a multi-function flashlight and comes in a military-inspired design. With the IPX5 rating, you can take the speaker with you anywhere you go, from hiking to camping or just on trips. It weighs just 248 grams, so weight won't be an issue. As for battery life, it's rated at 8 hours with the internal 800 mAh battery, and the speaker provides a powerful 360-degree stereo sound. For connectivity, it uses Bluetooth 5.0 and provides a connection at distances up to 33 feet. Also, with the 3 flashlight modes, this speaker will help keep you safe in the outdoors. Now for color options, there are 3 to choose from: gray, Wild Mini yellow, and green. These are great compact speakers. If you're interested in purchasing the Wild Mini, I'll place links in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.